Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Changing the standard numbers notation to the scientific notation. How we can change the standard number to the scientific notation? And this is the scientific notation of any number. For example, 2.898 into 10 to the power 8. Here in the scientific notation, you see there are two parts. One is the decimal part, another is the exponential part. So to change the number, standard number to the scientific notation, place the decimal point so that there is no non-zero digit to the left side of the decimal point. Moreover, count the number of decimal places the decimal point has moved from the original number. This will be the exponent of the 10. If the original number was less than 1, then the exponent is negative. If the original number was greater than 1, then the exponent is positive. For example, if on the left side, as you see, a bigger number has to be converted to the scientific notation, then we'll move the decimal point to 8 places and it will reach near the 2 as shown in figure. 2.898 into 10 to the power. As the decimal is moved 8 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then the exponent will be 8. So the given number is converted to the scientific number and the decimal part is 2.898 after moving 8 places, and the net answer or the conversion of this number is 2.898 into 10 to the power 8 as a scientific notation. Similarly, if the number is less than 1, for example 0.000567, then the decimal will be moved to the right to 4 decimal places. So the exponent will be equal to 10 to the power minus 4. The negative sign is because the decimal is moved towards the right. And the common sense prevails, or the common sense represents that when the number is increased from its value, as 0.000567 was smaller than the 5.67, so 5.67 is bigger amount as the original number, so we have to decrease it or balance it by negative exponent. While in the previous example, 2.898 is smaller than the original number, so we have to balance it by positive exponent. So when the original number is decreased in the decimal part, then the exponent will increase, and if the original number is increased in the decimal part, then the exponent will be negative. Thank you for watching the lecture.